Let's make 2 cards with the Not Too Shabby shop and Kendras Card Challenge 17.
Hey, it's Beth. Welcome. And because my voice sounds like this, my daughter will be doing today's voiceover for you.
Hi, I'm Avery. Today is the KCC 17 and Not Too Shabby shop sponsor hop. My mom was going to be using the cute Critter Valentines paper pack today with adorable little owls, squirrels, and porcupines. She also has the Critter Valentine ephemera pack, which is displayed out so you can see all of the cuteness. So adorable! Along with these, she has the I Heart Christmas shaped sprinkles from Doodlebug. And for her cards today, she'll be using sketches 3 and 10 from Kendra's Card Challenge 17. Starting with card 3, she already has the pieces cut, so she just needs to assemble the card. Not Too Shabby Shop is a super sponsor for KCC 17 and has generously provided these adorable products to work with. This is a hop, so there is a playlist link in the description box below that you can click on to see all the other design team members creating with Not Too Shabby Shop products. If you don't know about Kendra's Card Challenge, there are a set of cutting guides for 6 sheets of 6x6 pattern paper and sketches that help you turn that paper into 15 cards. Each quarter, Cards by Kendra creates a new challenge printable with these guides. You can find a link that tells you how you can access the current quarter's printable. You do need to sign up as a free Patreon member to get access to the printable. If you decide you'd like to offer Kendra further support for all of her hard work, you can choose to go with a paid membership and receive some amazing perks, like access to the archived challenges. As with all of the KCC hops, there is a chance to win a prize. There is a link in the description box below to a form that you can fill out to win a prize. As you hop along to each video, you can fill out the form again for additional chances to win. Also, in the links below, you can get more information on how to win additional prizes by uploading photos of your completed sets of cards. Here are the 2 cards Mom made. She will link all the products she used in the description below. Don't forget to follow along with the hop on the playlist. Thanks for your time and have a crafty day. Bye-bye.